Hello, everyone. This is Kishore Darbarajan, and thanks for dropping in. Today, we are going to learn about agentic AI in Dubai, agentic AI in Abu Dhabi, and agentic AI in the UAE. So, you might be hearing the term agentic AI again and again, and probably you're wondering what is it and how can it help you. Well, we have all heard of Gen AI tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity and Claude and multiple other tools like that. We have heard of Gemini and several other tools. But agentic AI is something which is kind of more advanced than the typical AI tools that most people use on a daily basis. And it really can be powerful for you. To start with, it can do end to end automation. So that seems to be one of the most powerful applications of agentic AI, where you don't really have to go and search for something on ChatGPT or Perplexity or Claude. You don't have to find the information, you don't have to digest it, and you don't have to apply that information. All of that can be programmed by agentic AI to do, and that can be extremely useful for you. So, say that on a daily basis, you are getting a lot of customer feedback from your e commerce store and you want to constantly reply to them, or you have multiple social media channels wherein you get comments, you get likes, you get shares, but you really don't have a team member who can be assigned to do that, or your team doesn't have the time to do that. You can use one of the agentic AI platforms to reply to those comments, to appease the sentiments of your customers, and also update that on your dashboard so that at the end of the day you can log in and you can see how many comments the agentic AI has made, what kind of comments it has made, and what has been the overall impact. So it's almost like having a team member who can assist you in carrying out those tasks for you. Now, when we speak about autonomous, we often think about the social media aspects. And yes, in the social media world itself, it can be extremely useful. So, for example, if you have an e commerce store, and e-commerce stores typically we know are like a watermelon, wherein it looks all green from the outside, but when you look into the analytics, it's all almost red for most people. And the reason why it is red is 99% of people who visit your e-commerce store, they leave without a purchase. And the reason why they don't purchase could be multiple. It could be the shipping cost, it could be the price of your products, it could be because they don't know you what about your brand, they're not clear about your specifications, they don't know if your product has the efficacy to solve their issue, if they don't know if they're going to get value for money, and overall they're not happy with the brand, or probably they're looking at other options. What will be the costs? Imagine if you have an agentic AI hanging out on your website and speaking to every customer that comes in. And now imagine that this agent, it looks exactly like your CEO. And if that CEO is out there on your website, on your e-commerce store, talking to all customers, asking, hey, what happened? Didn't you like this? How can I help you? And all of that, your sales is going to go through the roof. And this is where agentic AI becomes extremely powerful. Now, one of the tools which can help you to do that is Baselook. So if you would go to baselook.com, which is baselook.com, you'll find a CEO speak platform, uh, which is nothing but a team of people coming to your office to videograph your CEO or your decision maker and converting that into a digital avatar. And this digital avatar is converted into agentic AI and placed on your website, so that every customer who comes in can have a conversation with your agentic AI, and they can make an informed decision. Now, when the customer leaves or they add products to their shopping cart and they leave without purchasing, the agentic AI or the CEO will call this person back on their mobile phone, which has been provided. Of course, they would have to give their permission to call them, and it would have a conversation as if it is a salesperson, calling a person, a customer who has visited your website, and trying to upsell them, or give them a coupon code, or ask them why they left without making a purchase. So the agentic AI can make thousands of calls at the same time. So it is infinitely scalable, meaning it's like hiring 1,000 people to do all the calls to all the people who landed on your website. So what we are looking at is just one part of agentic AI. And if you would like to know more about agentic AI and how it can help your business, reach out to me on 050 698 6164. This is Kishore Dharmarajan signing off from SEO Souk. And do visit our website, which is seosouk.com. Thank you.